You get drunk and you gotta tell your condition to someone. Let's solve this problem with onomatopoeias. Hi, my name is Hide. Today, I will introduce a very practical onomatopoeias which is worth knowing. Before that, if you want to see a previous lesson videos about onomatopoeias, just click here and find out. Needless to say, Japanese people love to drink with friends, colleagues, and bosses in Japanese bar, which is called izakaya. Today, I would like to introduce some onomatopoeias which is commonly used in izakaya. Let's learn. それでは始めましょう。Kinkin, Kinkin. Of course, ice cold beer is the best. The super cold condition is called Kinkin. Imagine this. On a hot summer day, you are so thirsty and you want to drink a beer that is very cold. In that situation, you gotta say, キンキンに冷えたビールが早く飲みたい。キンキンに冷えたビールが早く飲みたい。Which means, I really want to drink a beer that is very cold. Gokugoku, Gokugoku. This word is used to express the acting of drinking a beverage vigorously. Yes, after a tiring day at work, you would be desperate to drink a beer. For me, as a Japanese native speaker, the sound of this word makes me want to drink a beer when I hear it. Okay, let's say you have a friend whose name is Tanaka. Tanaka-san は居酒屋に着いた瞬間、ビールをごくごく飲んだ。田中さんは居酒屋に着いた瞬間、ビールをごくごく飲んだ。Which means the moment Tanaka-san arrived at the izakaya, he took a gulp of his beer. Gabugabu, Gabugabu. Like Gokugoku, this word is also used to express drinking the beer heavily. But there's a subtle difference between Gabugabu and Gokugoku. Gabugabu sounds rougher to drink. Therefore, comparing this sentence, 友達はビールをガブガブ飲んだ with 友達はビールをごくごく飲んだ I feel like the friend in the former sentence is more thirsty and desperate to drink a beer. Chibichibi, Chibichibi. Contrary to the words Gabugabu and Gokugoku, which were introduced earlier, Chibichibi is used as the act of slowly sipping a drink while taking your time. I think you usually do that when chatting with your friends or watching a movie. For example, when you get to izakaya, but your friend is late, the next action you probably take will be 友達を待ちながらビールをちびちび飲みます。友達を待ちながらビールをちびちび飲みます。Which means I will sip a beer while waiting for a friend. Berobero, Beronberon. Okay, let's study some expressions used when you get drunk. When you hear this word, you might need to take care of someone. Maybe take care of your friends, your boss, maybe yourself. This word is used to describe someone who got drunk too much. For example, you're worried about your friends because he had too much alcohol. The next action you probably take would be 友達がベロベロなので水をあげた。友達がベロンベロンなので水をあげた。Which means I gave my friends water because he was wasted. Horori, Horori. Compared to the expression Berobero, which has been introduced as an intense word, a more gentle term is Horori. This word is used when feeling a mild level of intoxication after drinking alcohol. お酒を一口飲んでしまっただけでほろりと酔ってしまった。お酒を一口飲んだだけでほろりと酔ってしまった。Which means I got a little bit tipsy in one sip of alcohol. You can use the expression horori in conjunction with the term yoi to create the phrase horoyoi. When asked by someone how drunk you are, and if you want to convey that you are a little bit tipsy, you can say horoyoi to express the subtle level of being drunk. 私はほろ酔いです。私はほろ酔いです。Which means I'm a little bit tipsy. Taputapu. Taputapu. When you drink a lot of alcohol, your stomach may become bloated, and moving around could result in sounds coming from your stomach. This condition is referred to as taputapu. It could be due to excessive intake of fluids. When you drink too much and feel a little bit sick, you can say お腹がタプタプして気持ち悪いです。お腹がタプタプして気持ち悪いです。Which means my stomach is full of fluids and that makes me feel sick. Mukamuka. Mukamuka. If you use this word, that situation doesn't seem good. You drank too much alcohol. This word is used to express a state of feeling so sick that you might feel like vomiting. お酒を飲んだら胃がムカムカしてきた。お酒を飲んだら胃がムカムカしてきた。Which means I'm feeling sick after I drank a lot of alcohol. If you find yourself in this situation, please take a pill and rest immediately. Furafura. Furafura. If you are in Furafura condition, you are in trouble. This word describes the state where the body is swaying from side to side, making it impossible to walk properly. If your friends end up in such a condition, they will need your help. 彼がフラフラだったので落ち着くまで私が世話をした。彼がフラフラだったので落ち着くまで私が世話をした。Which means he was feeling unsteady, so I took care of him until he was able to get better. Alright, today I introduced some onomatopoeias which are used a lot in Japanese bars or drinking parties. If you work in Japan, there are events like drinking parties called nomikai with your boss or your co-workers. So let's try using onomatopoeias we learned today. If you do that, your boss or your co-workers will be surprised. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified for more brand new lesson videos. If you do that, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね!